So, I'm trying to make a glaze for the chicken that I'm going to be doing later tonight. And so I got tomatoes, blackberries, jalapenos, some seasonings, honey, and it's about to go into the food blender. I think it's roasted enough. We'll see. Let's see here. Don't spill, don't spill. This is not the best way of doing things, but we'll see. Turn that off. Let's see. Put this on. You're plugged in. Let's see how she goes. Oh, she's plugged in. Why isn't she working? Oh no, she isn't. Wrong thing's plugged in. Sorry, guys. Give it a taste. Maybe. I really suck at this. Still hot. I think it's a little watery. No, maybe not. Let me get a spoon. One second. No, that's almost right. Oh, damn. Oh, damn, that came out good. Holy shit, that's going to be fucking fantastic on that chicken. Alright, I'll let you know how the chicken goes.